mulai program ini, malam itu sakawin ke program hasla pendidikan, jadi ke program apa dibaca. What's the aim of hell nama minyak kemudian dibuat, yang lain dari history dan saksi kenal. Jadi baiklah jika mau terlihat konsekuensi, mau terlihat konsekuensi, batu tumbuh karena itu konsekuensi terkawal. I'm so thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister, who has ultimately consented to be here the whole day today for laying the foundation stone of this important project, 140 crores, starting from Waylon of Turangthong village, covering of the distance of not less than 40 kilometers. Sir, under your leadership, we are as we are today. We are as we are today, and we have seen too that Nagaland is already in the right direction. Other states in different parts of India are looking to Nagaland. And friends, you are all aware that we are of today the third state performing third fastest growing state in India. I think it's a blessing from the above that Meghalaya, such a small state, people like us, we are now competing with the big states in India, and we are number 3 in front of the government of India. We have seen the quality that you have, and we have also seen the commitment you made to serve the state of India. I am also so thankful the presence of our Honorable Minister Tourism, Ba T.D. Shira, my colleague MLAs who are also here with us, Kublai Sibun, kajian lang jompi kanang pensinan kanang pensiongkit ya kani kajian lang ke jompi batam tam ya kani kanang mau ngomong kabang labu mencapai kerana usi sekretari jompi ulong ubreyo balong aktif bang Dr. Shakil udon lang bagi hamil Dr. Shakil. Thank you so much. You are also part of the government, and you are the leader of the machinery that we have in the state, and your active participation is also contributing to the successful performance of our state. Ngai Kublai Kerpang nak ada kapor, ya ipain. Ilada pai ke jingkren ke joki rengkat bu ya kata memorandum nai Kublai Kerpang ya officers nadu secretary job WD chief engineer job WD board the officers KSI Barok nadu nampe na head office tunggu amni atau district Barok away nai Kublai Kerpang ya district association atau dalam DC SP bagi officers jom ke department di Babel ya. Kerpang ai Kublai ya ke ramba snong ke yalam snong ke bawan na tulen saudong na kemudian banyak jom bentalang agar ni ke jimbu jom ni ya umau nongrim bansna ya kan itu. Ai kudai kertang ru ya kita ki group ki ba ai ya ke jinwai ka ba stokenat ka ba shop ba kantam ka ba nang ai men sim shu yang paro akan ni ka jamni. Ke Bandung Slab namar ba wilayah Abu Bakar Slab. Akwa ban ong tam kawai baka sorkar hapok di lamjong chief minister ngilala mentara sgi ban penurlong ya kata kajing amut jong ki bak ta southwest hatil Morocco akaba ngin kasdan noksen ya ketika surok nang tai napo weloy hadu harang thong bat kabangikwa banbu ya ka target balakin no ha usnan hajar athonyo ngidai bat pendep yang kanisa project barok kawen bat ladanila ban le kunta kernet kem kan lo ka jingmenton ya kanisa tan jogi barok kawen hadu ini kisni ke bambenta ya ka surok kabakhoru kabakhoram don ki jing don ki view don ki ke balai project lai project kenre ko mga om ya pi ha utelus nem buat na kermen kem baka southwest hasil kabadeiru ka district headquarter hamil hapo mau keluar kanyo ya ka jing kertu kabakura kabenta kabaar menai MNI jong karaniko rila betren hakbedei kasurok ban penhe syusu ban ponek hadu hangke hapok raniko kabadon kumalai posan lai pon riu kilometer nadu rantong hadu pati kejaka kabagnadon pa kedobelin mentang ibu top priority haka bangit penlung haka gol bang kafe kebaang badya kaniru omslem haka bangit pek ban pendit ban pendiam ya survey namba inyo sanction employ badru banyo ban pendet ya kate surok ploy kapal kanir kalau kapubor kabanakwa banya group ya ki lasi kimong ranikor sila bandon kikisnyaw tenre yay up yay siya kaki nakaliang jok sordar kalabu ya kanika program kabahat mga ban pensigina ban pendek ya kanika surok kabu hadu haraniko nakwa ruk banyak ruk ya ki banangke na wayloy hadu kasnong lang mandro kapenda hot